One of the challenges of working with ISA is that you need to manually configure a lot of the parameters, such as your I/O addresses and IRQ lines. When you're working with a PCI Express card or PCI, it's plug and play. So when you plug it in, oftentimes the operating system will automatically do a lot of that configuration for you and make installation much easier. But for your industrial system, sometimes you're stuck and you need to support a legacy technology, such as ISA, and a legacy operating system, such as DOS. Today, I want to show you a handy tool that Moxa has developed to make it easier for you to configure and troubleshoot your ISA serial card and serial board when you're working in DOS. What we have here is a system running DOS that has a ISA C168 serial card in it. And this is an 8-port serial card. So you've got 8 serial ports. Now, when you install a serial card, the first thing you need to do is to manually configure all of the parameters in both the hardware and the software OS driver. Once you've done that, you can plug in your serial devices, and hopefully everything works. But if it doesn't work, it's time to troubleshoot. And that's where Moxa's Diagnose tool comes in. One thing that Diagnose allows you to do is to test each individual COM port and confirm that your parameters have been set correctly. For example, let's run a test on port 3. As you can see here, all the tests have passed. And that means that for port 3, our I/O addresses and our IRQ lines are not in conflict with any other device on the system. Another thing that the Diagnose tool allows you to do is to actually test the serial communications, both internally on the board and externally through the port and the cable. So let's test serial communications from port 3 to port 4. And we'll do both an internal and an external test. When I run this test, I can see that the test has been broken down into individual serial pin outs, and that port 4 is failing to receive communications on quite a few of these pin outs. For the purposes of this test, all I'll need to do is reconnect the cable connecting port 3 and port 4. We'll run the test again. And this time all the serial signals were sent correctly. With a tool like Diagnose, it's easier for you to identify what's going on wrong with your system so you can troubleshoot it more quickly. That's the tool. It's written for our ISA serial boards, and you can download it from our website. These ISA cards are our oldest products, but they're still available for ordering, and they're still supported by a global network of certified distributors and technical support personnel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, and don't hesitate to get in touch with us if our technical support department can help you with any of your applications. Thanks for watching.